Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about the first type of parsing, and that is called top-down parsing. Welcome again, and we are discussing this the first topic as top-down parsing, and I'll just read it out. That start with the tree and one node labeled with the start symbol. Okay, so this is the key point. Start with the tree and the node labeled with the start symbol, and repeat the following step until the leaves of the parse tree matches with the input string. Okay, so we'll keep on repeating these steps. Now, at a node labeled A is in this case is a non-terminal. So at a node labeled as non-terminal, select the production with A on the left hand side, and for each symbol on the right hand side, construct the appropriate child. Okay, now this seems to be confusing. So what we have to do is let's take an example over here, and let me take a very simple example: AS or B. So I'll start with S, and suppose my input string is triple AB. Then I'll see here that this is A, and I will try to expand this A. So what I'll do, that for each node A, left hand side, so for each node S on the left hand side, and for each symbol on the right hand side, construct the appropriate child. So we will choose the first production and we will construct the appropriate child. When a terminal is added and to the leaves and does not match with the input string, then backtrack. So I have added a terminal over here A, and if this A does not match with here, then what I'll do here, I'll backtrack. So here it matches. Find the next node to be expanded. So now there is a terminal, and the next node here to be expanded is this S. So again I'll go and I'll just match with this A and S. So this is again the second terminal matches. And again I'll go for the expansion of A. So I'll say AS one more time. Again there is a terminal matches, and the next time again I'll go and take the first option as AS, and this time I'll match with this A, and here the first time I'll get a mismatch over here. Okay, so I'll get what? A mismatch. So the moment a mismatch will occur, then what we will do, we have to do the backtracking. Okay, so we'll do the backtrack here. So what is the idea of backtracking? That I have already, taken the choice of this AS. So I'll backtrack from this place and I'll go backward. So let me just take this out, and we'll explore the second choice here in this case. And that second choice is, what is the second choice here? The B part. Okay, so I'll just backtrack and I'll go for this B. And now I'll match it with this terminal thing to expand, and I'll say that that there is a perfect match. Okay, so there is a perfect match over here. So that is the idea, that keep on looping. When a terminal is added and leaf does not match the string, the backtrack. Find the next node to be expanded. Minimize the number of backtracks. Okay, so as many as time you'll go the backtracking, you're putting the second choice or third choice. So that we need to minimize here in this case. Okay, so the top-down parser construction start with the root and proceed towards the leaf. That is the key idea about this top-down parser, that the construction starts at the root and proceed towards the leaves. Okay, so that is the core idea, and this core idea we are not going to now we are going to implement. Okay, so that is the top-down parsing. Start with the root, work towards the leaves. Okay. Thank you.